I would say to the contractors, I think the reason I'd be choosing Altro before I'd look at a product would be the fact that we're a UK manufacturer. You've also got to consider that you've got availability of product, not just from ourselves, but from our wide range of UK distribution stockists that give you access to our entire portfolio. So whether it's a floor, a wall, a resin or a door that you're considering, you can look at providing a complete solution. So then when you start to consider which product you may look to use, I think starting with floors, you've got different options, whether you'd look for a traditional adhered system or you've got the option of our adhesive-free portfolio, which offers you up to 60 different colour options depending on the aesthetics required for the environment. Other things that you need to consider is whether you want a product that would offer you sustained slip resistance throughout the lifetime of the product or not. You then start to look at other options available, such as our Altro Ensemble LVT, with a 0.55 wear layer and extensive warranties available. Definitely something worth considering, and obviously the installation of this product is much faster than competitors in the marketplace. It's a wet install, so it's much quicker to actually install the product. You don't have to wait for the adhesive to set before you install the product. Depending on the installation, whether it's time constraints or other pressures with the program, you may wish to consider our adhesive-free options. Information given back to us from other installers suggests that you could save up to 50% on installation time and anywhere up to 35% on cost savings. Definitely something worth considering. Also, the fact that there'd be no odours because there's no adhesive, no DPM required as it's got a built-in DPM within the system, and also importantly at this time in life, there's no landfill because it can be uplifted and reused again elsewhere.